Badalona is a coastal city located in the province of Barcelona in Spain. The city is known for its beautiful beaches and rich cultural heritage, making it a popular tourist destination. In this article, we will explore the city of Badalona and its stunning beaches. Badalona is home to several beautiful beaches that attract tourists from all over the world. One of the most famous beaches in Badalona is the Plata dels Pescaters, which is located in the heart of the city. This beach is perfect for swimming and sunbathing, and there are several bars and restaurants nearby where you can enjoy delicious seafood and other local delicacies. Another popular beach in Badalona is the Plata del Cristal, which is known for its crystal clear waters and pristine sand. This beach is perfect for families, as it has a children's play area and several sports facilities, including volleyball and basketball courts. For those looking for a more secluded beach experience, the Playa de la Mora is the perfect spot. This beach is located on the outskirts of Badalona and is surrounded by stunning natural scenery. The beach is perfect for those who want to escape the crowds and enjoy a quiet day in the sun. In addition to its beautiful beaches, Badalona is also known for its rich cultural heritage. The city has several historic landmarks, including the Roman ruins of the ancient city of Barcelona. The city also has several museums, including the Badalona Museum, which showcases the history and culture of the region. Badalona is also known for its lively nightlife. The city has several bars and nightclubs where you can enjoy live music and dance the night away. One of the most popular nightlife spots in Badalona is the Mora Club, which is located on the beach and offers stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. In conclusion, Badalona is a beautiful city in Spain that offers visitors a perfect combination of stunning beaches, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant nightlife. Whether you are looking for a quiet day in the sun or a fun night out, Badalona has something to offer everyone. If you liked the video, do not skimp on us by subscribing to the channel, pressing the like button, activating the alarm bell, and sharing the video with friends, as well as not in order, and thank you for watching.